So this is our H2o Spa 4500 series. We've got it obviously complete the step, hood. We didn't get these retractor arms unfortunately because we've got pergola posts that prevent it from coming. But yeah, don't really need it though. It's quite a good little tub. Haven't had any problems with it. This is the one that's got it's 32 amps, so we had to have a 3-phase installed behind the side with a nice big fat armoured cable that fills it up. Panelling, it's all at the front here underneath there. So it's got a dedicated circulation pump, which is good, and then it's got a 2 kilowatt heater, which is pretty good as well. So about the sunshine. So in here we've got Jet 1, which is what we usually have it on. We don't have it on Jet 2 too much, to be fair. And then over on the back we've got Jet 2. Whoa! So Jet 2 can be a bit evil because it comes out the ones over there in the corner. And if the water level drops below, as you can see, drops below where it needs to go, then it splurts out over there. Because we have the line here, which is the fill line, and it's up to above that. So it's currently reading 38.5, which is good. And obviously we've got our lights. They all turn on, flickering through there. Temperature controls, auxiliary jets. The Bluetooth is actually quite good. Actually, it's actually a very good sound. First proper hot tub, and it is a bit of a pain to keep maintained. The chlorine levels are okay, but sometimes it loses a lot of colour, and then you've got to try and get it back. But we've managed to rescue it most times. In here we've got the dual filters, which they say to replace weekly, which we do. So they give us 2 sets, these ones, and then another set. So we clean out one set and then leave the other set on there. So as a purchase, I think we paid £5,500 for it. It's UK pounds, and it's now gone up because of the coronavirus pandemic. It's gone up a little bit because of import tax and stuff like that. But yeah, really happy with it so far. So I haven't had any problems, touch wood. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I'd say I would actually. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'd say out of 10, price versus what you get, it's a solid 8 out of 10. So I hope this is a little bit of helpful into the review from our hot tub. Yeah, cheers.